Marami dito paklit na. Marami dito nawawala na ng pag-asa. Marami dito yung pam-pay-in nila inutang lang nila. Marami dito nag-avail ng multiple accounts para makapag-join, nagkautang-utang na. Sinakripisyo mo, yung oras mo, yung months mo, yung time mo sa family mo, nakapag-build ka, ang dami mo nang ginawa and you're already in too deep sa negosyo mo para mag-quit. And the reason why you are still here and you are doing network marketing despite everything, kahit na napaka-manual, napaka-outdated, napaka-tiring, very slow, is because you still believe on what can happen to you. I want to challenge you right now, again, to move from that manual, outdated, and tiring and very slow to do the smarter ways that actually give me results because it will give you the freedom that you truly deserve. Kasi po, pag dito ka magre-rely, which is 99% of network marketers, dito umiikot. Tama ho ba? So your day starts this. Prospecting feels like chasing. Yung prospect mo, ikaw nag-ahabol, ikaw nagbumukhang desperado. Inviting feels forced. Presentation takes hours. Tama po. Closing ends with pag-iisipan ko muna or I'll think about it. Follow-ups go seen and ignored. Iba yung you have mustered all the courage para makapag-invite, para makapag-prospect, namuhunan ka na, pinakain mo na sa cafe, pinakain mo na sa coffee shop, ang laki na ng ginastos mo, nag-commute ka, nag-grab ka pa, may gasolina ka pa, tapos sasabihin niya pag-iisipan niya lang muna, or hindi naman siya bibili kahit produkto lang. And most of you here has been on this cycle for years already. If you are new in network marketing a week or months lang, don't deny it. Yan din mismo yung nakikita mo sa uplines mo, sa mentors mo, at sa crosslines mo. And you know na yan din mismo yung gagawin mo. So despite of seeing all the sports car, the luxury, the 6 digits income, the millions, and the ranks, and the incentives that the top earners earn, you know the sacrifice that you need to do dumaan dito paulit-ulit. Because they don't actually show you the smarter way and the better way na hindi mo kailangan i-compromise yung income-producing activity while still achieving the same result. Because if you try to look at the smarter way, the modern approach, what you will hear from them is you are reinventing the wheel. Ito ho, this is not to throw rocks against uplines or mentors or companies. I highly respect my mentors, my upline. I have high regard with my own company and different companies. But hindi sipag yung kulang. It's actually the systems that you have. Tama po? That's why here right now, I want to show you a solution. It is what I call the smart and digital way of doing marketing. And because of this, no, the moment that I did this, for the past 7 years of being in the business, never na po ako naghahabol ng prospect. Prospects come to me, prospects na naghahanap na, prospects na interesado na. Hindi ko kailangan mag-deal sa mga taong hindi naman interesado at the first place. Focus na lang ako sa closing. May freedom yung buhay ko. Hindi nakadepende sa mood ko, sa effort ko, sa sipag ko, yung takbo ng negosyo ko kasi may sistema ako. So the only way for you to do that is through digitalization. Dapat po, digital po yung negosyo mo. Digitalization is a process of using digital technologies to change how work is done. So paano po yan? It shifts tasks, processes, and systems from manual or traditional methods into digital ones, making them faster, more efficient, and easier to manage and scale. Okay? So ngayon ho, isa-isahin natin when it comes to our processes. So unang-una, when it comes to prospecting inviting, yung traditional way, ikaw yung naghahabol, nag-aalok at naglilista ng mga prospect. Tama po? If you do it the digital way, prospects come to you because they see your content, get curious, or di kaya pwede ka makapag-advertise. Pag presentation naman, yung traditional way is paulit-ulit ka nag-e-explain ng one-on-one, tapos hirap ka mag-handle ng objections. Tama po ba? Now, the moment you do it the digital way, meron kang landing page or automated presentation that explains clearly and already answers objections, so ikaw na lang yung mag-focus sa ready-to-buy prospect. Next naman, pag sa follow-up naman, madalas nakakalimutan or generic na kamusta ka na. Yun yung ginagawa natin. The moment that you do it digital way, meron kang timely, thoughtful reminders and added value automated messages, pero personal yung dating. So for example po kayo lahat, andito kayo, automated po yung pag-follow up po sa inyong lahat. And last, when it comes to duplication and team building, sa traditional way, new members confuse sila, dependent lagi sa upline, and pag digital naman, new members plug into the ready-made system and duplicate faster. So right now, the traditional is ikaw lahat gumagawa, paulit-ulit, paulit-ulit, okay? Pero pag digital, may tool ka, may automation ka, or may sistema ka na nagtatrabaho para sa inyo.
Hey, Mabel here. Natuto ka ba sa napanood mo a while ago? Here's the good news. Meron akong exclusive na masterclass para sa inyo wherein you will learn more kung paano mo nga ba mag-grow yung income mo, yung downline mo, yung sales mo sa network marketing business mo through the power of AI and automation kahit na newbie ka pa lang at hindi ka techie. All you have to do is click the learn more na nakita mo sa video na to sa ibaba ng video. All you have to do is click the learn more na nakikita mo sa All you have to do is click the learn more sa button na nakikita mo sa baba ng cut. All you have to do is click the learn more button below this video para makapag-register ka sa exclusive masterclass ko. Go ahead and see you on the next page.